very good afternoon to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgodia's University and currently working as a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. So today I am here to talk about Triple Talaq Bill. Triple Talaq Bill, or the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019, became law on 1st of August 2019. This bill became the first legislation to be tabled in Parliament by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad asserting that the legislation was a must for gender equality and justice. The bill was introduced following a division of votes with 186 members supporting it and 74 members opposing it. The government had promulgated the ordinance on triple talaq twice, first in September 2018 and second in January 2019, as the contentious bill remained pending in the Rajya Sabha, though it was passed in the Lok Sabha. The bill proposes to make the practice of instant triple talaq a penal offence. The bill makes all declaration of talaq, including in written or electronic form, to be void, that is not enforceable in law and illegal. Following the tradition of Muslims in India, triple talaq is a customary way of an instant divorce of a married couple where the man gets the liberty to announce the end of his marriage simply by orating talaq thrice to his wife. As more and more women suffered due to this unfair practice, thousands took to the streets and started their personal riots in support of Article 14 of the Indian Constitution, which talks about right to equality. Shaira Bano case of 2016 strengthened their attempt to quote triple talaq as unconstitutional. With the other Islamic countries like Pakistan, Egypt, Iraq happen to have banned the concept of triple talaq, led the Indian government to enforce the triple talaq bill. The women activists have been successful with the fine attempt of ending such a biased divorce agreement. Instant talaq questions human rights and gender equality, which the Constitution of India promises its citizens to offer. Many women suffered due to this unfair practice. Many times, when the wife is given instant talaq by her husband, she and her children are not given money to live. She is left alone without any assistance. This law protects women and prevents such kind of incidents. Through this law, women and her children can get maintenance allowance from her husband. After the establishment of this law, it was observed that triple talaq cases have drastically been reduced. Now, what are the criticisms which this bill received? Before making the amendments, the government didn't consult All India Muslim Personal Law Board. It is an organization which looks into all the matters related to the Muslim community in India. The board argued that the law doesn't speak of the consequences. Parliament should have passed a law stating that the utterance of the words talaq thrice would amount to domestic violence as defined in the PWDVA. PWDVA is Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act of 2005. The PWDVA was conceived as a law that ensures speedy relief, ideally within 3 months, to an aggrieved woman. While PWDVA is civil in nature, it has reasonably stringent penal provision built into it. Like every coin has two sides, Triple Talaq Bill offers the right to gender equality to all the Muslim wives, but it was argued that on the other hand, it leads to the prosecution of the husband in each and every case registered, even by his wife's blood relatives, without her official consent. There is a possibility of false cases. As the offence is non-bailable, Muslim men have been completely unsatisfied by the passage of this bill, as it snatches away their shield of freedom and justice. Then it was argued that if the accused is given 3 years imprisonment, he may be unable to provide maintenance allowance to the victim and her children. In such cases, then it was argued that it becomes the responsibility of the government to provide financial assistance to the victim. But that is not provided in the law. These all were the criticisms which this bill received. Now, what were the main concerns? It could be just a piece of legislation rather than a kind of relief to the women. Some representatives have given it a political and religious color. Some Muslim women's groups raised concerns about maintenance if the husband is sent to jail. The mutual divorce provision is missing in the proposed law and needs to be debated. Time has come to put an end to the suffering of thousands of Muslim women who have been at the receiving end of instant talaq for several years. More than 20 Islamic countries have already banned the practice. Let's hope for the best that this bill will definitely benefit the thousands of Muslim women. Thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. So if you really liked it, then please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Lexcliq for more upcoming such videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.